Namaskar. Myself, Krishna Kumar Mishra, welcomes you in its daily weather briefing on behalf of India Meteorological Department. Under the influence of cyclonic storm Jawad, Odisha has experienced isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall and widespread light to moderate rainfall. Our Ganjam district of Odisha, Khalikot station has reported 16 centimeter rainfall. Chhatarpur, Purushottampur, Behrampur, and Diga, Pahandi, and Gopalpur have reported 6 to 8 and 9 centimeter rainfall. Also, 11 centimeter has been reported over Nayagarh district. If you look into South Peninsular India, then isolated heavy rainfall with fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall has also been reported. Isolated heavy rainfall has been reported over Erode and Coimbatore at the stations of Kodumudi and Coimbatore, where 9 and 7 centimeter rainfall have been reported respectively. If we look into the synoptic systems, then as we know that we had an active system in the Bay of Bengal, which was as a cyclonic storm named Jawad. So this cyclonic storm weakened into a deep depression yesterday, 12 UTC of yesterday. As we can see in this observed and forecast track, that which in the black color is the observed track, and in the red color it is the forecast track. So here we can see that initially this cyclonic storm moved in northwestward direction, and then it became practically stationary for a brief period, and then it started moving northwards and weakened into a deep depression at 12 UTC 17:30 hours IST of yesterday, and then it started moving northeastwards towards the North Odisha coast. And today it is lying as a deep depression over West Central Bay of Bengal near latitude 18.7 degree north and longitude 85.6 degree east. It is very likely to weaken into a deep depression during the next 3 to 6 hours and reach near Puri. And from there further, it would continue to move towards North Odisha, West Bengal coast, and it is very likely to weaken subsequently into a Velma low pressure area during subsequent 12 hours. As we can see in this of the forecast track, we have shown that it would be a low pressure area with a wind speed of 15 knots at 18 UTC, that is 23:30 hours IST of today, 5th December. So under the influence of this, there is likelihood of there is wind prevailing over. As we can see, this is the color code for 50 to 60 kmph winds. So 50 to 60 kmph winds are prevailing over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, and these winds are likely to weaken, decrease into 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph winds by the evening of today. By the late evening of today, and then it would further decrease, becoming 30 to 40 kmph, gusting to 50 kmph from around midnight of today. And also squally winds of the order of 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph, are prevailing along and off North Andhra Pradesh coast, and this would decrease substantially during next 6 hours. Although the winds of this order 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph, would continue along and off Odisha and West Bengal coast during next 24 hours. So this is all about the wind warning and the system's observed track and the forecast track. And now according to this wind warning, rough to very rough sea conditions are likely to prevail over northwest Bay of Bengal and along and up Odisha and West Bengal coast during next 24 hours, and adjoining northwest adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal and along and off North Andhra Pradesh coast during next 12 hours. So fishermen are advised not to venture into northwest Bay of Bengal along and off Odisha West Bengal coast during next 24 hours, and northwest Bay of Bengal adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal along and off North Andhra Pradesh coast during next 12 hours. And also there is advisory for offshore and onshore installations that these installations should be regulated properly till the evening of today, that is 5th December. So under the influence of this deep depression, which would very soon be weakening into a depression, there is a probability of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha, which would now we would see its district-wise distribution. And prior to that, as we have seen that there is a western disturbance as a trough along 65-degree longitude and to the north of 28-degree latitude. So under the influence of this western disturbance, there is a light to moderate snowfall is continuing over the higher reaches of Kashmir, and it is likely to intensify, and even isolated heavy snowfall may be reported, rainfall or snowfall may be reported over Kashmir, Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad regions. Also fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall over the region of Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and also over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Light to moderate rainfall at fairly widespread to widespread places are likely during next 24 hours. Although on tomorrow this intensity and distribution of this rainfall and snowfall would decrease, and only isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall and snowfalls are likely. With the adjoining plains of these Himalayan areas over of Punjab, Haryana, and West Uttar Pradesh, there is likelihood of isolated light rainfall also. But the over the plains, this likelihood is only today. Tomorrow, there is uh, just isolated light rainfall likelihood over Punjab, but over Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh, there is no likelihood of rainfall on tomorrow. So, due to this, only there is cloudy conditions are currently going on over West Uttar Pradesh, over Punjab, and over Haryana. And tomorrow morning hours, there is likelihood of dense fog over Punjab, and day after tomorrow morning, that is on 7th December morning, there is likelihood of dense fog over Punjab and Haryana both. As far as South Peninsular India is concerned, so there is no intense rainfall likelihood during next 5 days. Although scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall would continue over Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Over Tamil Nadu, there is likelihood of heavy rainfall at just one or two places over Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours, and for rest of the days there is no heavy rainfall warning. So now we come over to the district-wise heavy rainfall warning for Odisha. So here we can see that in the orange color we have given, these are the prone areas, heavy to very heavy rainfall prone areas of Mayurbhanj, Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Kattak, Jagat Singhpur, Khurda, Puri. And over these districts, 11 to 20 centimeter rainfall is likely, and over Gancham, Nayagad, Angul, Dhankana, and Kyojhar, isolated heavy rainfall, that is 7 to 11 centimeter rainfall is likely. So over these areas, orange color coded areas, there is likelihood of inundation and water logging in low lying areas, and there is also uh, uh, closure of underpasses in urban areas of these districts may also occur, and also damage to kacha houses as well as vulnerable structures is also likely over these areas. If we come over to the Gangetic West Bengal, then there is likelihood of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Jhargram, Paschimi and Purvi Medinipur, and North and South 24 Parganas. And over the northern districts of Birbhum, Murshidabad, Nadia, Purvi, Bardhaman, Paschimi Bardhaman, Bankura and Hugli and Havada, there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall. Although the system would weaken into a low pressure area by today's midnight or tomorrow morning, so but it would keep on moving northeastwards, and so there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over Murshidabad, Nadia, and North 24 Parganas as well. Uh, and then tomorrow there is a likelihood of this isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over southern parts of Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura and Mizoram as well. So that's all for next 5 days warning. Tomorrow we will again meet with the weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.